you all are doing well. In this section of our video, we will be going through the concept of the total energy stored. Total energy stored means if we are using multiple capacitors and you are connecting those capacitors in series, what will be the total energy that will be stored in the whole combination. We are not talking about the single capacitor, but we are talking about the multiple capacitors which are connected in the combination. So let us start with, we are connecting 3 of our capacitors in series and we will calculate the net energy stored in that particular combination. Let us go through what the expression is. So we are connecting the capacitor, as you can say, observe that the 3 capacitors C1, C2 and C3 are connected in series, and we will be going through the concept of the series combination. Let us suppose total energy in series combination is represented by U, which is expressed as 1 upon 2 Q square by CS, where this CS, or you can say 1 upon CS, represents the equivalent capacitance of the capacitors connected in series. What I want to say is that where 1 upon CS is equals to 1 upon C1, where 1 upon CS is equals to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Substituting these values, we have U is equals to Q square by 2, 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Simplifying, you have Q square by 2C1 plus Q square by twice of C2 plus Q square by twice of C3. Now considering or assuming that Q square by 2C1 represents the energy stored in first capacitor. Similarly, Q square by 2C2 will represent energy stored in second capacitor. Similarly, Q square by twice of C3 represents the energy stored in third capacitor. Therefore, net energy can be expressed as U1 plus U2 plus U3. If you have large number of capacitors or if you have many capacitors, you can continue it writing U4, U5, U6 until the value Un. So this is the final expression of net energy stored when the capacitors are connected in a series combination, which is simply the summation of individual energies of each capacitor. U1 representing energy of first capacitor, U2 representing energy of second capacitor, and U3 representing energy of third capacitor. Hence, the result is that net energy is equal to the summation of individual energies stored in each capacitor. So this was the basic concept, the basic logic and the expression of energy stored in a capacitor. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you.